These stylish safety shoes will kick their competitors to the curb. They are super easy to slip on with a firm structure that doesn't give when you slide your feet into them. That's honestly quite satisfying. Get your work done with all-day comfort and support from this flexible footbed. Take them on the go for a quick workout. With a steel toe cap enclosed, you'll be surprised to feel how ultra lightweight they are. They boast superior puncture resistance thanks to their durable construction. These shoes will not slow you down. In fact, they have enhanced traction control. Get up and go!